Good morning from Secrets, Playa Mujeres in Cancun, Mexico. This is an amazing place. We've been here this is our 6th day. We're headed home, so we thought we'd give you a little tour of the property. This is the Secrets pool. There's kind of multiple, I don't know, like 4 pools or whatever. Lots of hot tubs. But it sits right overlooking the beach, which is beautiful. And tip for you, if there's all the chairs that are filled up here, because they do get filled up pretty fast, hardly anybody's down on the beach, and there's a ton of chairs down there, and we actually like hanging out at the beach better.
Yeah.
So one really cool thing about staying at the Secrets is that we have access to the Dreams Resort right next door. And this is actually where it's the family one, and this is where we spent a lot of our time at. Because the pools, I just like the pools here a lot better.
Yeah.
So we'll take you and show you around.
They're heated.
They're heated, and even though there's like kids, because it's the family one, we didn't really notice that much, and it's pretty quiet.
Yeah. Check it out.
I mean, and how can you just not love that view, okay?
Jesus.
From the pool edge.
That's pretty awesome.
The grotto pool at Dreams was one of our favorite places to hang out. There's a waterfall that comes down, and there's a bartender underneath of there. You can go get drinks, and they have really good margaritas. So you can see that video right. You go through the waterfall, and you get drinks out of there. It's like a magical waterfall. A drink-a-fall. Again, this is another pool up at Dreams. It's right above the grotto one. So it's pretty big. There's another edge that goes over, and it goes all the way around there. So lots of places to sit, lots of places to hang out.
Yummy.
Margaritas.
Oh yeah.
We had a lot of those. So they do have a lot of these Bali beds that you can use if you're a preferred guest. We're not preferred.
But you can rent them for like $60 a day or something.
Yeah, you can rent them. And actually it looks pretty nice. Like, we've seen a lot of people use them throughout the week that we've been here. So if you're interested, check it out for the day. They also have some down on the beach.
You're into that? Not bad.
So since this is a family resort, they do have some like cool features here. Like they have 2 water slides, pretty big water slides. We didn't go on them this time, but we heard from other people that they're pretty fun. And like kids water park area. So lots to do, lots of places to hang out and chill. So this is the main area at Dreams. The reception and check-in is right up those stairs over there. This is where kind of most of the restaurants are. So you've got like the Asian fusion restaurant, the buffet. There's the Mexican restaurant over here, and then a Mediterranean grill. We didn't try that, but we did try some really good restaurants over on this side.
Excelente.
And then they have like this area over here, which is where they hold a lot of events. Like every couple nights they have something going on where like the whole resort is invited. They set up vendors along here so you can get authentic Mexican souvenirs to take home with you.
Yep. And they got a putting green. Another putting green.
They also have some little restaurant right here that's open for lunch. We ate there one day, and then they have a little ice cream shop right next to it. That's where the French and Mediterranean restaurants are. We found this little walk that we do every night after dinner. It's like a loop that we do. So we go all the way from the Secrets Resort all the way to Dreams, walk around, maybe go on the beach, walk down there. It's a nice little way to walk off some dinner, and it's really pretty at night. You can see lots of stars.
Not the iguanas.
And try to find the killer iguanas. Although we did see 3.
Yeah. 3 in 6 days, not bad. That's where you can sign up for swim with the dolphins, and you can feed the dolphins and stuff out there. So it's pretty cool.
That's the Preferred Club Lounge. Again, we're not Preferred Club, but a lot of people are hanging out there over the last couple days.
There's the other side of the grotto pool.
So this is one of our favorite food places that we ate at when we were here. It's called Gaucho. It's the Brazilian grill. So they like bring around meat on skewers and slice them off for you. They do have a little buffet inside as well with like some pastas and seafood and stuff like that. But I highly recommend this one. It was really, really good.
Gaucho.
So this is another really good place that we ate at over at Dreams Maris. It's their seafood restaurant. It was really, really good. One thing I would say is that the portions are a little on the smaller side. So what we do is like get a couple appetizers and share them between the 2 of us. We each get an entree and then we'll get something else and split it. And so you can try out different things, because everything sounds good and there's so many restaurants, so you don't get to necessarily, unless you're here for a really long time, go back to eat at them again. So you can try everything. But just a little tip of something we've done, and we find it's like just the perfect amount of food for us. So yeah. All right, back to Secrets we go.
Back to Secrets.
These are the swim out rooms. This is what we've had, and you've probably seen from our other videos. But they are really nice, and a lot of people do say that the water is really cold, and it is, but it definitely has warmed up over the last few days. So the warmer it is outside, the warmer the water is going to be. But it's so nice actually when it is cold to jump in after you've been at the beach or at the pool and it's hot out. All right, let's go to the beach.
That's the place to stay right there. That's pretty nice, huh? Swim out room on the beach. Woo. Mucho.
Can't beat this. I am sad to leave this. Okay, so yes, there is seaweed. Yes, it piles up on the beach, but not a lot of it. It is in the water, but don't let that stop you from coming here, because the water's pretty warm. It feels amazing, and it's so much fun. Beautiful out here. There's actually a ton of things to do out here. They have like beach volleyball, they have cornhole set out, but another tip I'll give you guys is that the wait staff here at the resort are amazing in general, and they work really hard, but the people out on the beach work so hard. So a couple dollars, $5 goes a long way for just getting excellent service. They'll bring you drinks without even asking. They are amazing. So tip your wait staff well. Okay, so that island over there is Isla Mujeres, which you can see in another video, and you probably can't see it here, but it is a super fun day. I don't necessarily suggest going snorkeling, but definitely take a boat out there and spend the day and walk around. You rent a golf cart. Super fun time. More Bali beds. So there's a couple ways you can get down to the beach from both the Dreams and Secrets. They have staircases on both sides of the pool with little showers so you can rinse your feet off. This is where we spotted our first iguana.
Fred. Where are you, Fred?
He was a big guy.
Yep. Oh, look at him.
Making his way back. He was going that way earlier. Oh.
Just hanging out.
Right down there is the Oceana, which is the seafood restaurant of the Secret side. We didn't eat there this time, but I heard it was okay. And now we're at the other side of the Secrets pool. Again, there are lots of chairs. People do come out pretty early and put towels down. That's why we hung out on the beach most of the time, but that was okay with us.
Yeah.
Another bar. There's tons of bars. There's always somewhere to get a drink. So here we have kind of like the main area of where the pool and kind of where you get to all the hotel rooms at. So you've got El Patio, which is their Mexican restaurant. We did eat there. It was good, but make a judgment for yourself. And then you've got your international buffet. So this is where we're gonna go eat breakfast in a minute. They do have a lot of options. The omelet bar is the best, and it's one of our favorite with the fruit. Very good. They have a little cafe right next door where you can get coffee and pastries and that kind of stuff. And then they have the Rendezvous bar, which is open at night, and they have like live music in there for a little while before like the sports bar club opens up at night. You do get bottled water in your room, but like these little places that are open at night are great to just go grab some extra water because you only get so many in your room when the turn down service happens.
Alright. Yum.
Now we are at the convention center, and this is where you go to get your COVID test done. Pretty nice facility. But down further is a pretty cool sports bar and the entertainment venue, which we went and watched a couple of different things. This is Desires, the sports bar lounge area, and then the showroom entertainment. I don't know what it's called, but pretty cool.
Yeah, we loved it here. TVs.
Pool tables.
DJ. Late.
They have these cool little swing things that light up at night. Cool little hangout spot. So this is the Italian restaurant, Portofino. Muy bien. Very, very good. This is Bordeaux, the French restaurant. We haven't tried the French restaurant at the Secrets we've been to, but heard really good things about it. Alright, this is Himitsu, the sushi bar, and the hibachi table. They have 3 hibachi tables. You do have to make reservations like starting at noon the day that you want to go do it, but it's so worth it. So good. And it's a fun show. Couple shops.
Couple shops.
The spa.
Spa. There's the spa.
And finally we have the gym, basketball court, and tennis court. Pretty cool. The gym's really nice. We used it a couple of the days that we were here.
Yep. But it's great.
Basketball court.
Basketball and tennis is over there.
Yeah. Beautiful property.
That's so cool.
This is the awesome lobby. All open air. So pretty. Oh, hey there. Welcome to our room.
There's il bagno and
Awesome waterfall shower.
Waterfall shower. Sinks. Oh, and there's that.
That's a really good hair dryer, and I'm very skeptical about hair dryers, so you don't have to bring yours.
It's a nice closet. Everything you've ever wanted. Safe. Ironing board.
It even has umbrellas.
Yep.
Awesome king size bed. So comfortable.
Yep. And there's usual stuff.
And the best part.
And couch. Oh yeah. My favorite thing. Oh. Love it. It's beautiful.
I think our room was called the Junior Suite Swim Out with a king bed. We didn't do the preferred club because it was a little more expensive, and to us there's not really that much of a difference, but I would say the swim out is totally worth it, especially when it's this hot outside. It's a perfect way to end the day.
Yep. All right. That's it. That's it.
That's it for Mexico.
Yeah.
This has been our wonderful adventure honeymoon.
Yeah. Yep.
Sad to go home.
Yeah. Hopefully you liked our walkthrough of the resorts and all the information, and yeah, Mexico's cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't be afraid to come here. It's pretty, like this resort especially is really secluded, but you have an awesome beach. You have a ton of things to do here, so
Yeah. 6 days went just like,
oh, so quick. But we had an amazing time.
Yep.
All right, well, we'll see you on our next adventure.
All right. Peace out.
Deuces.
Bye.